I know you proud of me, hoping you would see that I will prevail.
That's not what she listened to. Hey there, Delilah.
What's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away. You got it! Alright, so now it's your turn. Explain it.
My turn for what?
No, explain it. Explain what just happened.
Yeah, you just explain.
Explain what?
The joke.
I don't get the joke.
Like, why we just laugh? Like, you laugh with us. Like, explain it.
Got caught in dick ride.